how to fix login error in Epic Games. First, right click on your taskbar, then go into Task Manager. Here from the processes, click on any process and you just want to press E until you find Epic Games Online Services, right click End Task, and also you want to find the Epic Games Launcher, right click and End Task. How good is these? Okay, so we can proceed to the next fix, which is going to be opening up our computer search, searching for run. Here you want to type this percentage local app data percentage and click on OK. Now you want to click on any folder, type E until you find Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. Right click on them and delete these two folders. These are just going to be temporary folders. And the very last fix which I can suggest is searching for Epic Games Launcher. Right clicking, open file location. Here you want to right click on it again, show more options, properties. Go into compatibility and you want to check these two options, disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an admin. Click on apply, click on OK, and this should fix the issue. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.